you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Hank and Henry. This is their mystery box that they just released, and I just got my hands on it. So do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received this mystery box. It took them longer this time to ship. It took a few weeks after I already ordered. Then I finally got an email saying that it was going to be shipped, and it had no tracking for a few days, and then boom, here we go. So here it is. It is signed right there. He did sign last mystery box as well, so that's really cool. I got a signed box. This time though, I did get okay, so the last mystery box I got was, I think, box 3, which was the large one of just Hank and Henry. So this one, I got box number 2, which is supposed to have 4 Hank and Henry and 4 from his school, the Institute. I haven't tried anything from there, so I thought this would be cool for us to see something that's Hank and Henry and from the school. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get in here. Hank and Henry. I'll type it. And when you open it up, that's what it looks like right on top. And I do have my packing slip, so now I can tell you I paid $67 for this, and shipping was $7.99. So that's what I paid for this mystery box. And yeah, this was mystery box number 2, not 4, just number 2. So when you move the squigglies, that is what it looks like. It looks like we have some stickers and stuff in here this time. So right on top, we do have this sticker. So cool. We have this sticker and we have that sticker. Then he also did mention he was going to have a pop socket this time. And I think there was like 2 to 4 different like styles. And this is the one that I received. And this is a pop socket to put on your phone. So there's that. And then let me see, is there a card or anything that tells us what we got and what the prices are? Nope, there is not. So let's just go ahead and start this off. So these are from the Makeup Institute, and this looks like it says Teasable maybe and Medusa. I don't know, the font is very weird, but these are 2 different lashes, and I don't use lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just set these aside. If I have enough in here, I'll do a giveaway today for this stuff. So let's just see what's all in here. But here's 2 different style lashes. So this one is more like thicker, more dramatic, and then here is a little softer, not so thick or long, but there's 2 different lashes right there. And this says D28 and this is D25. And they say Faux Mink Lashes by the Makeup Institute. So there's 2 lashes. Next item in here, this is from, why does it sound like a kid's toy? What is that? This is from the Makeup Institute as well. There's that guy right there. And, oh, it's in a box. So let's see what this is. Okay, so this looks like it's a lip kit. And I don't really do a whole lot with my lips. So I will go ahead and hang on to this, and I'm just gonna go, I already have 2 lashes and this. So I'm just gonna do a giveaway at the end of this. So I'm just gonna set this aside. Whatever's all in here will go to one of you guys, and I'll tell you at the end how you can enter. But here is, it has a lip liner with 2 different colors on each side. And then it has the little brush. It doesn't have like a name or anything on this, so I don't know like what it just says the Makeup Institute. So there's that item. I'm gonna stick it right back in here in the box. Okay, the next item here says the Makeup Institute as well. And this is a big one. This is a big one. This is a big one right here. Let's go ahead and see. It would be nice if it was a highlighting palette or a makeup, like an eyeshadow palette. That would be nice. I would be loving that. But let's see. So here's that. This just kind of feels a little, I don't know, like it'd be a kid's toy. Like, Okay, so I'm gonna leave the plastic down on top of it. This is a palette right here. Excuse the glare, but I don't wanna remove the plastic because I'm not keeping this. But this looks like a contouring palette. Is that what that would be? Bronzing or contouring? I don't know, it doesn't say on here what it is. It just says the Makeup Institute and ingredients. So, I don't know. There's no sticker on the back. It doesn't say anything. So I'm gonna assume this is like a contouring palette. I do like the fact that it was all different colors from like light to dark. So it should pretty much go with a lot of people's skin tones because you should be able to use something out of it, I would think. So there's that guy. So a lip palette, a contouring palette, a pop socket, and 2 eyelashes. Well, the pop socket's not part of the... This is all from the school. So I kind of wish that if they were going to give us 4 products from the school, they wouldn't have done 2 of the same items. So then we could have tried 4 different items from them, but I didn't choose them. That's just my own opinion. So here's the 4 items. These will all go in a giveaway. So if you're interested in them, then stay tuned. So now for the Hank and Henry, and I'm already, hold on. So here is this looks like it would be a liquid lip right here. And it says Gang Gang. Does it say Gang Gang? I don't know, but let's see. And it looks like, yeah, it says Gang Gang is the color, and it looks like it's a brown. So I will stick this in the giveaway as well. I do love his packaging though, because this looks like it would be like you pop the top and it's a lipstick, but it's not. You twist it and it's a liquid lip that's in there. I do like his packaging. They're very, very different and unique. So I give him that. It's just, I don't think I'd wear a brown when I don't really wear much anyways. So I'm gonna just stick this right back in the box. Now, this is where I was like, oh, really? Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you, in the subscription box that he started and in the first mystery box, both of them, he put in this double-ended double-ended mascara. That's what this is, right? Before I open my mouth and talk shit. Yes. Stick With It Mascara Duo. One side has a very, very small, fine, like precision wand, and then one's like a normal mascara wand. And this is in Clout. So I believe this is the black. I already have this, and then the one I got in the mystery box last month, I put in that giveaway, and that went to one lucky winner already. So here's another one. I kind of wish, like, okay, you're gonna do another mystery box. Don't put the same products, because if somebody got your last mystery box and they're buying this mystery box because they want to try different things from your line, why would you put in the same exact products? Like the same exact products, because then here is the Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. And this again was in my subscription box and in the first mystery box that he did. So I don't agree with him putting in 2 of the same exact products. I mean, good for one of you guys, because now you guys are going to be able to try this out. But from the consumer point of it, if you bought the one and you're like, cool, I want to buy another mystery box so I can get some more of your products, and then you put the same products in there, I just don't agree with that. That's just my own opinion, and I just personally don't agree with that. And then the last item from the Hank and Henry, this is his new sponge. I don't normally do anything with sponges, but this I will go ahead and hang on to. I want to at least keep one thing out of this box. It's really cool. He did sign it even. Yes, he did sign it even, so I'm going to keep it in this little box. But here is his beauty sponge. And I mean, I've seen him in his lives talk about him. I've seen him all over his Instagram. So I'm really excited to, once I do start trying to use maybe liquid foundation, if I do, then at least I can try this out, or at least have this sit like this in the box with his signature in my arsenal, sitting pretty. I can do that. So I'm going to hang on to this. Everything else I'm going to put back in this signed box and ship to one of you guys. So going over this mystery box one more time, for the Hank and Henry 4 products, we got this that I'm keeping. We got this liquid lip, which is like a brownish color. And then we have the same 2 products that were in his other 2 boxes back to back. So here's Hank and Henry. He did throw in some stickers, so I'll probably keep 1 or 2, put 1 or 2 of them in here for you guys. And then the pop socket will go in the giveaway as well. And then from the makeup school, we have the 2 lashes, which I think there should be maybe one lash and one other type of a product so we can see more. We have a lip product, and then I'm guessing this is like a contouring product, or I'm not sure, but these two will go in there too. In the giveaway will be everything but the sponge. And maybe like one or two of the stickers. I'm gonna keep one or two. But the pop socket will go in there as well. So if you are interested in winning pretty much this entire mystery box, then here's how. I try to keep all of my giveaways short, sweet, and simple and to the point. So number one, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do all of my giveaways, to show my appreciation to those who are actively and positively supporting me here on my channel. I want to give back to show my appreciation back to you. So you must be subscribed to my channel. You must give this video a big thumbs up. Don't be like the haters and thumbs down. Just give me a thumbs up because I work hard on my videos, you guys. And you must leave one comment down below. And in that comment, you must have the words "enter me" and whatever else you would like to say. You can leave more than one comment, but only one comment per person with the words "enter me" in it, to be fair for everybody else entering and following the rules. So only one comment would have the words "enter me" in it to be entered into this drawing. At the end of the 3 weeks, I will use a random comment picker, and I will put in the word "enter me" for it to filter through. And if you are subscribed to my channel, then you have the words "enter me" because that's how it would have found your comment. Then I will respond to your comment saying, "Congratulations, you have 48 hours to respond back to me." If within the 48 hours you do not respond in time, then I will have the random comment picker choose another comment, and that new winner will have the same rules, 48 hours, so on and so forth, until I get a confirmed win. Once I get a confirmed win, in the description box down below, which has all of the official rules as well, I will put "Congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm." Once I confirmed, I will say "confirmed," so then you know this particular one is done and over. If it says still has 48 hours to confirm, then hang tight because I may have to draw a new winner. But I have giveaways on my channel quite a lot, so stay tuned. I have them hidden, I have them shown, I have all different ones. Also, you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian enter in for you. And the last rule for this, you must have a United States address for me to ship these to, and that's it. So be subscribed to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, be over the age of 18, have a legal or parent or guardian enter in for you. If you are not, leave one comment down below with the words "enter me" in it, only one comment with the words "enter me" per user, and have a United States address, and I will ship it to you. So that is all, you guys. That is everything with this box. So comment down below, let me know, did you like this mystery box? Are you agreeing with me that he shouldn't have put the same 2 items in the box back to back to back? Like, I'm just really confused on why he didn't choose to put in something different. This is a different mystery box. There should be different items, but that's just how I feel. So comment down below, let me know what you think about this. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. This keeps making me think I have something going. My hair's like sticking out, and it's this damn thing sticking up on this pumpkin. Anyway, all destruction. It's like in every video that bothers me.